Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Are we loving the bob or what? I think it looks so cute. And I'm gonna show you guys how I installed it. It didn't actually come in this length. I'm gonna show you how I installed it, how I cut it, basically the whole process from start to finish. This particular unit is from DIVASWIGS. I've already worked with them before, so I already know the quality of their hair is usually A1. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute, not in a minute actually, just now. Let me show you how it came. So if you wanted to wear this wig without using glue, you could, because it comes with that elastic band that you can adjust, so you can actually be able to lay it down and not have to really do anything after that. You guys are gonna see that in a minute. So without further ado, let's lay this wig. Ooh, this is cute. It's a long bob wig, and I might be tempted to cut it short, but we shall see. Let me just bring you guys in to see how well done the knots have been done. Look at that. You also have good enough parting space. It's actually really well done. I would say it's a good wig for a beginner. Look at that. Wow. I'm gonna tie it back just so that it's a bit easier for me to cut the lace. Okay, I've just put that clip to help me be able to just cut the lace as accurately as possible without cutting off hair. So sometimes when you're cutting your lace, you have to cut a bit of the hair out. Don't panic about that. If you want the lace to really fit well, it's just something you gotta do. So as you guys can see, this wig has laid down really well, and you don't actually need to go in with glue because of that elastic band. But for me to lay my wig, I really always I have to use glue. I think it's tacky now, so the thing with this glue is I always have to go in over some places because it doesn't necessarily always stick as well as I want it to, especially the edges. Perfect. So now the next thing, just to set that glue, is to go in with the elastic band. Okay. That's how we're looking. Now what I'm doing is just cleaning off the glue, any glue residue there might be, just so that there are no like white patches. This also helps to like remove any hairs that stuck down with the glue, because you don't want that. Oh my god, look at this, you guys. I'm not believing this looks so good. I'm actually gonna cut the bob for it to be like super short. That's just a decision I've made right now. So the tip or the trick I usually use is to tie a hairband, and I divide the hair into two. I've made them, try to make them super even, but I feel like I want the bob to be a little bit shorter, like that length. Yeah, let's do it. No time like the present. I'm actually gonna take it a little bit lower because if I'm factoring in flat ironing it, oh my god, I love that length, but this part of the back is a bit longer. It's not like all the way even, but you know what, I think it's gonna be fine like when I flat iron it. I think that actually looks super cute even as a blunt cut. Let's see how the back is looking. Probably a bit uneven, but I'm happy. I'm happy. So now I'm bringing out the flat iron and I'm just gonna flat iron the heck out of this hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab my mousse and just work on making this part here in front flat and just look au natural. If you don't have mousse, you can use water, that also works beautifully. Okay, I'm now gonna tie a scarf around here so that the hair actually lies down flat. Okay, so I've asked my sister to come even for me this hair out at the back because I can't see what I'm doing at the back. But in the meantime, I'm gonna do something about the edges. Nothing much, although I always say I'm not gonna do anything much, and then yeah, I do a lot. But let's see how today goes. Boom! Okay, I'm gonna turn and show you guys the back because my sister came and did it for me, and I think it's now really nice and even, and I think I'm more or less done. Okay, let me throw on some makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm really feeling this wig so much. I wish you guys could touch it and feel it because it feels really good. I've left a direct link to this hair in the description box down below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out, and you can also see what else Divas Wigs have in case a bob isn't what you want. I can assure you I have worked with them before, so I know the quality of their wigs is A1. So go ahead and check the description box down below for the link. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.